My name is Dean Marco Smith. Corvin, Cooper is my, uncle. He's like a brother, and we have not seen him in about 7 years.
The war on drugs was fueled by racist policies in an effort to control poor Black and brown communities to keep them in their place.
There's an estimated 40,000 individuals still incarcerated due to cannabis convictions.
At the same time that cannabis businesses have been deemed essential services. Due to the conditions of confinement, our incarcerated communities are particularly at risk of contracting COVID-19.
The cannabis prisoners that we continue to have locked up, whether for violations, underlying offenses, etc., is nothing more than the progeny of those practices.
These people should be freed from prisons immediately. Their records should be expunged and let these people get back to their normal lives.
Enough is enough. We need to change these unjust laws, this systemic racism that results in people being incarcerated for a plant that has been deemed essential in many states.
I support Last Prisoner Project to release these prisoners so they can start to rebuild their lives.
You and I have one mission, and one mission only, when it comes to cannabis prisoners.
We need to free 40,000 people that are locked up for cannabis in the United States. We need to rally together, be one, and fight for the rights of those people.
The system has screwed over a lot of people, and the work to be done is endless, but we can all do our part.
I'm not gonna stop and I'm not gonna rest until the last cannabis prisoner is set free.
Don't let a cannabis sentence become a death sentence. Let them out.
Salute to the Last Prisoner Project, and let's free those people.
We need to let them out.
Let these people get back to their families. Let these people get back to their lives.
We need to let them out.
Let them out.
Let them out.
We need to let them out.
Set them free. Let them out.
It's time to let them out.